Earn extra cash and achieve your financial goals quickly by participating in online surveys. Branded surveys, MyPoints, Hey Piggy, Prime Opinion, Free Cash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost are among the top legitimate survey platforms available. Each platform differs in terms of availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey sites, consider factors such as reputation, survey frequency, and payout options. To maximize your earnings, ensure you complete your profiles thoroughly, take advantage of free offers, and prioritize surveys with the highest payout rates. It's also advisable to create a separate email address, take breaks, and install antivirus software to ensure a smooth survey-taking experience. Watch out for red flags indicating potentially fraudulent survey sites, such as membership fees, lack of reviews, requests for personal information, or complicated qualification processes. Legitimate surveys typically take 15 to 20 minutes to complete, with some offering instant cash or bonus points. Remember, companies pay individuals like you to gather valuable market insights and consumer feedback. Start earning money today by taking surveys.